Ever wondered how our body fights off diseases? Our bodies possess an incredible defense mechanism that keeps us healthy, known as the immune system. This system is our body's personal army, always on guard, ready to protect us from harmful invaders. It's comprised of two types of immunity: innate, our natural defense mechanism, and adaptive, which learns and adapts to specific threats. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's delve deeper into how our body's adaptive immune system works, particularly the antibody-mediated response. At the heart of the antibody-mediated response are the B cells. These microscopic powerhouses play a vital role in our immune system, serving as the body's personal surveillance system against foreign invaders. B cells are unique in their ability to recognize and bind to antigens, the harmful substances that trigger an immune response. Picture this process like a lock and key. Each B cell has a unique receptor that is designed to fit perfectly with a specific antigen. When a B cell encounters its matching antigen, it springs into action. The antigen is internalized, essentially being swallowed up by the B cell. This antigen is then broken down, its fragments displayed on the surface of the B cell, bound to special proteins known as MHC II molecules. This antigen MHC II complex is like a beacon, signaling to other cells that there is an invader in our midst. Once the antigen is presented, the B cells are ready to call for backup. Enter the helper T cells, the B cells' trusty allies in the fight against disease. These unsung heroes play a pivotal role in our immune response. Once a B cell has internalized and displayed an antigen fragment, the helper T cells spring into action. They recognize these fragments bound to unique MHC II molecules and begin to secrete substances known as cytokines and interleukins. These secretions are like a rallying cry, spurring the B cells into action, stimulating their multiplication through a process called mitosis. Some of these B cells mature into plasma cells and memory cells, the former being the factories of our immune system, producing the antibodies that are so crucial in our defense. These antibodies latch onto the antigens, forming antigen-antibody complexes. These complexes are the red flags that signal our body to clear out the unwanted invaders. These antibodies, the heroes of our story, are what ultimately help clear out the disease from our body. With the antibodies in place, the final stage of the antibody-mediated response can begin. Antibodies latch onto antigens, creating intricate antigen-antibody complexes. The clearance of these complexes is a marvel of biology, utilizing mechanisms like the complement cascade, a series of protein interactions that result in the removal of the antigen. Other processes include neutralization, which renders the antigens harmless, and agglutination and precipitation, which clump the antigens together for easier removal. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how our body's immune system fights off diseases. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.